Guys, again, welcome to my YouTube channel and how to build a Lego, but not Bumblebee Lego fidget toy, but just only fidget toy. Okay? Okay, guys? So, we're gonna put this here, here, to here. It's only 8 parts, so don't worry. I'm true. We're gonna use these two, and look, they look like blood. So, I'm just pretending. It's a joke. Okay, so we're gonna put these and and these uh, and these again. So it looks like this. It's not Bumblebee, just Megatron. Cause this one is beautiful. Like Bumblebee. Yeah. I totally like all of Transformers fidget toys. Like and this. And this. And the stretchy one is gone. Cause, it's a long story about that. And look, this is it's a toy. It's 8 pieces, so don't worry, I'm true. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.